Rich text modules serve as your text boxes in your ePortfolio. To add a new one to a slide or area on the page, make sure the subtle blue dotted line is outlining the slide you wish to add to. If it's not, just click anywhere on the slide so that it is. Click the blue plus button to access the ePortfolio's content library. Once there, select the Rich Text option. The box appears on the portfolio page right where we want it. It can be moved and resized however you see fit. To type freely in the module, you can either double-click or select the pencil edit button beside the module. To change some style settings, click the gear icon below the pencil button on the right. This window to the left allows you to edit font sizes, colors, and page alignments. These settings will apply to the entire module. You can even change the color and transparency of the module's background. To upload an image to the module's background, simply click Select Image at the very bottom of the window. Then Upload File. Then either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the item you wish to upload. Once you have your background chosen, you can adjust unique settings such as opacities, repeats, and even fixing the image to scroll with the browser's scroll bar. Okay, let's close our Style Settings window by clicking the X at the top. Now by clicking the pencil-shaped Edit button again, we notice a toolbar that appears above the module. We can make selected text act as a heading. This will make it unaffected by the module's font size changes. We have access to bulleted and numbered lists, bold, italic, underline, linking files, and hyperlinks. For information on hyperlinks or embeds, view our hyperlinks and make text into links tutorials. Now if we click the color palette icon on the top right of the toolbar, we have access to override styles for selected text settings. These settings will override the style settings we've previously adjusted for the entire module for specific text. So, if I highlight certain text, then choose any configuration, the rest of my module will be unaffected. Now if we go back to our style settings and try to change the font, that unique text is unaffected, while the rest of the module changes accordingly.